Vertical sunshade facade generator. This generator is good for exterior facade concept. It's quick and save time. A short overview of the process. Firstly, you work with a plane and then either delete faces or extrude them. Start with the generator. Choose the core boundary based on the longest length. Fine-tune the associated parameters to reach the intended result. Applying separated materials for separated parts. Add the group node. Go to File on the top left, then click on Append. Go to the Blend Files location. I provide two ways to add the node group. Append the ready plane object, which includes the node setup, or append the node group from Node Tree folder. When append the node group from the Node Tree folder, the Prepare plane should be modeled in this way. Find the node group that named vertical_sunshade_gen. Add modifier and choose geometry node. The first checkbox is Check Original. It helps you visualize the original plane shape. However, don't worry if you forget to uncheck the Check Original box. Before rendering, you will still get the desired visual result of the facade instead of the original plane. Explain modeling workflow. Modeling with basic edge loop. The boundary beam view only and boundary select options will help you identify and select the main boundary of your facade. This process is crucial for achieving the desired visual result of your facade design. You can adjust the width and thickness of the boundary beam. The first step in this process is to ensure that the offset direction of all lodges is consistent, regardless of whether they are on the front or back of the facade. In some cases, simply adjusting the parameter in the epsilon1 section will give you the desired result. However, sometimes you need to combine both epsilon1 and epsilon2 parameters to achieve your desired outcome. Delete face epsilon working like this. Larger modeling with parameters allows for greater flexibility and customization in exterior design. The horizontal ribs may disappear in certain designs. To make them visible, check the on, off, and switch core horizontal line options. Enable fillet and adjust fillet radius to get the curvy corner. You can adjust the sunshade's distance, but be cautious when setting it to high. Excessively long distances may result in visual distortions. If you like my solution for vertical sunshades in geometry nodes, you can purchase it on Blender Market. Thank you for taking the time to watch this introductory video.